Hello, this is Christian Martinez, and this is how it sounds like to load a Polaroid camera. This is how it sounds like when you load it up with film. This is how it sounds like when you take a photo. This is what the flash sounds like when it's loading. This is how it sounds like when you close it.